Hi, this is Hope. This is my decimal math video. So let's begin. There is a thousands place, but we are mostly going to focus on the tenths and the hundredths place. There is a decimal right there, so if there's not, it doesn't go like this. Okay. So let's say, do you know how many pennies are in $1? 100. So pennies would go in the hundredths place. Do you know how many dimes are in $1? 10. So it would go in the tenths place. So if I had 9 ones, put on 9 ones, 3, 6, almost there, 3 more. I had 9. How many tens? Is there 10? Do I have 10 of these? No. So I would have 0 in the tenths. If I added 1 penny, that is 10, okay? So I do have 1 10. Okay, so I put 1 dime in the tenths place. Okay, let's say I have 20 pennies, which I should have. And guys, you don't want to have all this loose change. You don't want to have 20 pennies. If anything, you want 2 dimes. 20 pennies is equal to 2 dimes. Let's count it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, 20. So it is 20 pennies. Is 10 equal to 20? Mm-mm. But is 2 dimes equal to 20? Yes. This is the same amount. Would you rather have this or that? I'd rather have this. Okay, guys. If I have 11, let's see what you would do. Okay, since I have 11 pennies here, 11 is not equal to 2 dimes. Because this is 20, and this is 11. Okay? But 10, is that equal to 11? No, you can't do 10 when it is an all number. Or if it doesn't have a 0 at the end, you can't do it in tenths. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 dime in here and just keep 1 penny. This is the same. This is 11 cents. Okay? Let's say, it doesn't have to be just with this. Let's do it with a marker. Okay, so they might not be all the same kind. Let me get some. Okay. Let's see how many markers I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 markers. Okay? And most of them fell. Okay, so let's see how I would put it. Because, I mean, I don't have pennies, so I can't, put them. Let's see. Okay, so since it's 15, you just write 15. A 1 and a 5. Okay? Now, let me tell you a trick with the tenths place. You can add, here, wait, 1 minute. I'm going to write it down. So, add 0 at the end with just tenths. Because if you do it with hundredths, it makes it 50. And it should be 5. So if I can add, sorry, that looks like a T, but it's a plus sign, a 0 at the end, this would become 10. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. That's correct. So 15 markers would be written like this. But you do not want to do that 0. If it helps you, you can put it there, but it does not help you. Now, let's see. If I have, I'm going to switch my markers. If there is a 2 and a 2, isn't this equal? Is this equal? It should be, right? Because 2 and 2 are equal. Wait a minute. Do you see this at the end? And add 0 at the end. If I add a 0, 20 and 2. Are these equal? So just because it just says the same number doesn't mean it's the same. So if there is a 5 and a 5, how much is this worth? If you said 5, you're wrong. If you said 50, you're correct. Because you can just add a 0 at the end. This one, do you add a 0 at the end? Because it's in the hundredths place? So this one, 50 is not the same. We can even fill this in. 10 is a bit greater than 5. So 10 is more than 5. That's the more than sign. 20 is more than 2. 50 is more than 5. Well, what about this? So it's just saying that is 20 and 200 the same? I don't know. Well, let's see. If I add a 0 at the end, okay, that is the whole number that it represents. This is the whole number it represents. So, is 200 more than 200? No, they are equal. Sorry, equal. Okay. What about this? Well, don't I add a 0 at the end? So it'd be 30 and 50. Okay. So, is 30 bigger than 50? No. So 30 is less than 50. See right here? All these are tenths. You, hopefully, will get to where you do not have to put the 0 at the end. And it will just be like that. But if you have to, you can. But realize that if you put it here, you don't put it here. Okay? So, yeah, I hope you kind of learned something. But, yeah. So remember, this is hope. Okay? Hope. Yay! Bye!